Nobody likes wasting food, but in Australia, it is an enormous problem. It doesn't just waste our natural resources, it fritters away your food budget too for the average family to the tune of about $50 a week. So what do you do if you don't have a worm farm or teenagers or chooks to give your leftovers to? Well, you make these delicious fridge fritters, of course. If I'm honest, I don't even like the concept of leftovers. Think of it as extra food, or even better, a head start. So this is our roast chicken dinner and salad. I'm going to turn that into a meal that is kind of the same, but also quite different. I'm going to start with 3 zucchini grated. I'll also add in some cheese, a bit of flour, and a couple of eggs. I'll move that to the side, and now for my leftovers. So the great thing about these fritters is that they can work with just about anything that you have. This will be kind of the flavors of a roast chicken dinner in fritter form, but it could be literally anything that you have. I just want about 2 cups of whatever we've got, even the leftover spinach from my salad. All right, all of that into the bowl. And if you're using dry extra food or head start food, you can just add a bit of water to this, or milk, but you don't want it to be too wet either, because the spinach and the zucchini will give off a bit of water. We'll mix that all together first and see how we're looking. Chefs in professional kitchens never throw anything away, because anything that goes in the bin can impact your bottom line, and it's the same with your family too. This doesn't need any extra liquid at all, so it's time to fry these up. I love the way that this has so many different flavors that you can add to it. It kind of makes non-exciting leftovers pretty interesting extra food. Bit of oil into the pan, and you don't want to have the heat too high because you want to keep these cooked all the way through, and I want to make these quite thick fritters as well. Little tip, I'm just going to scoop a bit of oil into my spoon so that the fritters don't stick to the spoon. These are looking fantastic. Now a bit of chili sauce and sour cream, just to take these in a slightly different direction from the meal we had before. Swirl that together. A little sprinkle of salt. Some lemon wedges on the side. I might even have a little taste of these ones. A little dollop of the cream. Even better than the night before.